Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can customize one of your art journals that we have here. So these are designed by us here at Dooney Daughters. They are made of recycled paper, and as you can see they have a blank cover so you can create your own design on them. So they come with a double front with card, so then you can decorate the front, and then they are plain white on the inside. It's a blank journal so you can do whatever you like inside. They're made of 160 GSM paper, so they're nice and thick, and you can use them as an art journal, as a garden journal, bucket list, recipe book, all sorts of different things. And then in the back they do just have a little Dooney Daughters sign as well. So you can use them plain like this. We sell them like this, or we also sell some that have been decorated, and you could do anything on the front. So you can draw on them, you can paint on them, stencil, decoupage, do mixed media, all sorts. I thought I would show you today how we have been applying our transfers to them, because it gives a really beautiful finish and makes them very special. So I'm just going to show you using the Redesign with Prima mini transfers, as these are perfect. Got a really small halo around the design, and the minis fit really well on the journal, which is A4 size. So this is how the Redesign mini transfers come. I have some leftover pieces, as we always keep all of our bits here in the shop. So I thought I would do this beautiful rose design, and then I've got the words inspire and a butterfly, which I'll put up the top. So really simple to do. You use it like you do with all of your transfers. You want to take off the back layer, lay it down, and then use your stick to rub it on. So I will just film it and then I'll show you what it looks like when it is done. So it's as simple as that. You can create your own beautiful journal with whatever you want on the front. As I said, we've used transfers here, but you can do decoupage, paint, stenciling, mixed media, whatever you want. And then you have a beautiful journal that you can use, or you can gift it to someone. These make great gifts. So we have these up on our website and in our Auckland shop. If you have any questions though, please get in touch. And if you do use them, we'd love to see how you use them. Thank you.